In Assamese culture, Jurun is a pre-wedding ceremony that usually happens a day or two before the marriage day or even on the same day. In some of the marriages. On this day, groom's family visits bride house with lots of gifts for her, like gold ornaments, clothes, accessories, and welcome her to the new family with lots of love and blessings. In Assam, all the wedding needs of a bride are taken care by the groom's family, and we do not prefer to take anything from bride's house. So we are all set and we are heading towards bride's house. We have reached the bride's house and all the family members are waiting at the main gate to welcome us. And here we have again some of the rituals, and here bride's mother is welcoming us and she is performing all the required rituals. Now, groom's mother is going to make the bride ready to welcome her to the family, and this includes some of the rituals. And groom's mother will apply sindoor on bride's forehead, and this is actually happens before the marriage during the day of Jurun, and this is a different ritual compared to other states. So this is the ritual that is being followed in Assam. So since our sister is performing all the rituals of the mother, so she has applied the sindoor on bride's forehead.